Right, so it's bread in a bag, yeast, sugar, flour, salt, oil, bags, yeast. Okay, a tablespoon of instant yeast. We're putting it in the bag.
Just so they don't tip over.
Oh, I see.
Probably can use it.
What, 1 cup? Okay, 1 cup. Very judiciously measuring this. All right, bam, done.
3 tablespoons of sugar each.
3 tablespoons of sugar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Half a tablespoon of salt. 1. Okay, that's good, right?
And
1/3 cup of oil. I guess you could just use this. Yeah, there's a 1/3 right there. 1/3 of a cup. Got it? Here we go. And this is, we're using Wesson canola. I think next we're going to do flour.
3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour?
Yep.
She's kind of mixing around. Make sure there's no holes in the bag. That would be it.
These are new bags.
Yeah, you want new bags. Here we go.
Now it's 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour.
And then the salt.
That's sugar, honey.
Don't
That's
need
sugar.
this, don't need this.
That's flour there. That's flour.
I should have 9 cups. I'll be pissed.
Oh, you easily got 9 cups. See how she does it? Okay, that's 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 in each one, right? It's going to make a lot of bread. Is this how much we did last time?
Yep.
Oh, we're going to put it in one of those buckets?
There they go. And a thing of hot water.
This is bread in a bag. We're going to show you how to make it. You can see how they're all smushy looking there. But once she gets it all squished together, see that? That one looks like it's good. Now we got to do the other ones. All right, so let's go over everything that's in this bag. First of all, what do we got in there?
1 tablespoon of yeast.
1 tablespoon of yeast.
3 tablespoons of sugar.
3 tablespoons of sugar.
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
Half a tablespoon of salt.
Half a tablespoon of salt.
1/3 of a cup of oil.
1/3 of a cup of oil.
3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour. And a partridge in a pear tree. And then you just smush them up like that and then put them in the hot water. You always double bags them so just in case so no water gets in there. Time to mush. Air's out. Smush it down. And bam, bam, bam. We're going to do it every single one of them. Double bagging them and then we're going to stick them in the water. All right. In about 27 minutes, we pull those out of there. All right, so now we can get them out of here. And so we just take her out of there. Set her down.
Okay.
And there we go. But don't we add the flour now?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour to each one of these and mush it. Bam, flour's added. Now the mushing comes. And so we smushity, smushity, smush, mush. Make sure you get all of the flour mushed in there. All right, we're going to have sits for an hour. We'll come back. So we're preheating the oven to 350. The bread's here. It's starting to get better. We've got about 10 more minutes, and then we can knead it out and roll it into braids and put it on the parchment paper over here. And then, bam, Bob's your uncle.
On the counter, so I'll leave it like that.
All right, so that looks pretty good. We had it in the pan, but now we've got it out. You're going to need butter, eggs, and sesame seeds for this operation. What are you doing here?
Getting ready to do the egg wash.
Are you going to do 2 eggs?
Yeah, because last time we just covered 3 loaves. I made 4 loaves.
We got 4 loaves this time. Okay. Okay, bag 1, here we go. I'm going to put some flour down. Make sure we've got all the implements of destruction. Down goes the flour. Honey, if you want, you can narrate and tell and say what you're doing.
I need more room, just in case, because they roll out long, you know?
Okay, do you think that's enough room?
Maybe. That go off?
All right, here we go. first bag, we're dumping her out, and we're gonna, what do you call it, kneading? Or,
Well, no, because we don't really have to knead it. Now I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna pour it on the counter.
you can get it out of the
Cut it in
bag.
3 sections and then braid it.
Oh, that's right. You roll it, cut it in 3 sections, and then braid it. And that's the thing she uses to cut it. What do you call that? A cutter?
Yeah. I don't know what you call it.
It's like a pizza scraping thing or something. All right, so now what do you do?
Now I'm gonna roll each one out into a long strip, which doesn't really roll very well.
Well, you need more powder in there.
No.
So now, okay, yeah, that looks good. So you're smushing it, squeezing it, and then stretching it. And you don't want it to come apart, because then, like, if it comes apart like that,
It
that's not
does.
good.
It's okay.
That's okay? And then how long do you know to make it? I guess you're going to make it like 2 feet long or 1.5 feet. Oh, look at you. What, are you allowed to do
Is
that?
that gonna work? Yes. This is a little bigger, but that's
Oh, is that why? Now it's long. That's like 2 feet long.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's one.
All right, we got one. I think you're doing a good job.
It doesn't want to roll.
Maybe you need more powder.
I'm not sure. No, the flour makes it slide more.
That looks pretty good. That's like 2 foot. This is going to be a 2 foot long bread.
No, it gets shorter because yeah, it's without the flour. That's funny. A lot easier.
Wow, look how long it is.
Right on there. 1,
Wow, it's bigger than the pan.
2, just for now. 3.
So I see you're like smushing it together, and then you're going to braid it. So you go right over left, over right, over. So explain how you're doing it.
I'm just going one over the other.
Oh, I see. Okay. And it shortens up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's cool. And then you just smush that one in. And then we got to do the other
one.
2. That's 1. Bam, done.
1.
We got 4 of them.
So quick cut. It's less.
And you're trying to get them even.
So now I'm going to push it away. So 1.
It's definitely hard work.
That's a little bit of work, huh? 2.
That's definitely looking long. You're really getting them stretched out. All right, here we go. And we're making 4 of these. What would you estimate your total cost to make 4 loaves of bread like
I'd have
this?
to think. I don't know.
I mean, it's 3 6, 9, 12 cups of flour, right?
Yeah.
And some oil, and some sugar and salt, which is negligible. I think you need more powder.
I want to see less so I can roll it. Because it definitely helped to roll it when I had less flour.
This one looks a little bit more.
Yeah, hardly any flour. Roll better.
All right, one more. First, we do the butter.
What about?
Next comes the egg wash.
I could have used the vegan egg, but I didn't want to open a container just for... I guess I could make the ends prettier, you know, next time I will.
I think once they're baked up, they'll look fantastic. Looks like you got some egg left over. Okay, one more thing. All right, next, white sesame seeds. Mmm. The piesta resistant. The piesta? Oh, the shit, I don't know. Some French words.
Okay.
Piesta
Here we
resistant.
go.
All right, here we go. We're going in the oven.
Do they fit evenly? Yeah.
I hope.
Give me the other one.
All right, here we
I
go.
think they do.
Can I lift this? Is it over 10 pounds? Oh, it's over 10 pounds.
No, it's not.
It is. I'm not
No,
kidding you. It hurt my
It's not
stomach.
over 10 pounds.
Hurt my stomach.
Yeah, I'll do them separate. Actually, I'll drop that down one.
What are you going to do? Remember, it's hot. When it's hot, use mitts. She's going to change
Not gonna
the...
give enough room to rise.
No, that's not enough. No, that's not enough. It's going to go right up into that.
I don't think it's that high.
All right, I'm going to tell
I
you.
have like 2 inches.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think you're going to be prying it off the top of that
I don't
shell.
think so.
Well, no, it's better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah, but you don't want it too low either.
It's actually, you just move it. Okay. It's actually centrally located. You know, it's about location.
Okay,
All right, how long do we do it?
40.
40 minutes.
I'm gonna check
350.
Check at 35.
Check at 35. And bam, Bob's your uncle will come back. You think that was done?
Yeah, I think that looks good. This one I'm leaving.
That one we gotta leave. Oh, it's getting there.
It's interesting because it's cooking on one side.
I think
and
your
on
alarm's going off. Can we stop that? All right, so here we are. Let's see. Looks good.
Yeah.
All right. Are you gonna try it?
Honey, you have to let bread sit. It's doughy at first.
Oh, it's too hot?
It's not hot. You have to let it sit a little.
All right. Here's our first 2 loaves, and they look fantastic. What do you guys think? Mmm, yummy. It's getting there. The other one in the back's not brown enough. I may have to take just a little piece off of here because I just want to try it. All right, here goes. All right. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. It's going to be good.